A cruel irony playing out on Canberra roads. A woman killed in a crash involving people dedicated to helping and protecting others.
This is precisely the sort of circumstances that our members work to prevent. There is deep sorrow within the firefighting community today.
Today, ESA Commissioner Georgina Whelan made a brief statement.
The ACT Emergency Services Agency extends its sympathies to the victim's family and friends.
The woman killed appears to have failed to give way at this T intersection near Brisbane Avenue in Barton, sending her car straight into the path of a fire truck. That truck was responding to an automatic fire alarm and did have both its lights and sirens on. The Firefighters Union says the crew involved leapt into action, doing all it could to try to save the driver.
Performed rescue, rendered first aid, rendered emergency medical assistance, and it was to no avail. Of course, they were following every procedure that they should have.
The victim's family has expressed its appreciation for the community's sympathies and requested privacy as it mourns. Meantime, support is also being offered to the fireys and all who were called out to this horrific scene.
Those involved have been offered peer support, access to our chaplaincy service and our employee assistance program.
Commissioner Whelan has also praised the staff.
I have been thoroughly impressed with the commitment and the work ethic of all of our first responders.
This fatality is the 5th on ACT roads this year. Michael Hammond, Win News.